Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you are going through your Amazon Music app, suddenly you can't sign in. So this error can feel like a brick wall, especially when you know your password is correct and your subscription is active. But don't worry, this is usually like a simple hiccup with the app. So your device or your connection are mainly the issue. So in today's small tutorial, I will walk you through the most effective solutions to get you back into your Amazon Music account quickly. So first thing first, we want to go and check our Amazon service status. Before troubleshooting your device, check if Amazon Music is experiencing any widespread outage. Then visit downdetector.com or check Amazon's official social media channels. If servers are down, you will need to wait for Amazon to fix the issue. Then you can force close and restart the app. Fully close the Amazon Music app by swiping it away from recent apps, then wait 10 seconds so you can reopen the app and try signing in again. You can also go and try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart can clear up temporary glitches, and also restart your phone or computer and try again. Sometimes also date and time may be the issue, so make sure to enable set automatically to sync with network time. As a last resort, we're gonna go to look for our settings, apps, look for Amazon Music, then storage, then you can clear the cache first. If that doesn't work, tap clear data. This will log you out basically of all devices. On iOS, you can just offload the app or just reinstall it. And that's it. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.